What's up everyone, Chris here, and welcome back to the channel. Today in the studio we've got something that I've been testing and something that has honestly surprised me in a big way. This is the all-new eufy Omni S2, a robot vacuum and a mopping system that claims to do something that I've never seen a robot do. Not only will it deep clean thick carpets, but it will also keep suction power like a brand new vacuum for up to a year and potentially more. Now, if it can live up to that promise, this will be a game-changing product. Yes, you heard me right. A full year of day one suction performance without any degradation in performance. Now, just to be fully transparent, eufy did send this unit out to me to test out, but this review is based completely on my experience. No scripts, no approvals, just my hands-on review since I received the unit. Now, of course, to prove the claim about the full year performance, I won't be able to test that out in this video, but I will definitely need to do a follow-up video in a year just to confirm the claims. So with that in mind, let's dive in. Okay, so first let's talk about the design, because honestly, this looks like a premium appliance. Now, if you've been following my channel, I did review the previous version of this S2 robot, the S1, and it does have many similarities with some slight improvements. The base station still looks amazing and feels elegant, and the metallic finish fits really well in a modern home aesthetic. I also love it because it avoids fingerprints. According to eufy's design descriptions, they focused heavily on layered textures and subtle metallic tones to create this premium look. Now, I also love that the screen at the top of the base station is angled at 15 degrees, so you don't have to bend down just to read or press something. That's super smart ergonomic thinking and great design. Now, one detail that I love is the ring light that spins up during suction tests, which makes it look futuristic and cool, and honestly, it's aesthetically pleasing. Now, when it comes to setting everything up and the app itself, setup is really simple. The quick start guide pretty much walks you through placing the robot into the station, downloading the app, and creating your first map. Simple. The app gives you complete control, including mapping, suction strength, cleaning modes, and full real-time monitoring of the robot itself. In fact, mapping actually took about 20 minutes for my home, and once the 3D mapping was done, the robot automatically recognized areas and surfaces on its own. Now, getting into the features, the biggest deal about this robot vacuum is the AeroTurbo 2.0 suction. Now here's where the Omni S2 becomes interesting. eufy is using their patented technology called AeroTurbo 2.0. This is a multi-cone cyclone technology that basically prevents suction loss over time. Now, in real English, that means the filter doesn't clog the way most robot vacuums do, so power stays strong across the entire life of this robot. This robot vacuum delivers 100 air watts of suction and 30,000 pascals of suction power, and eufy claims this level of performance stays like new for up to 365 days and potentially more. Now, I actually tested this over multiple messy days, cleaning pet hair, crumbs, dirt, sand, and suction strength never felt weaker. Now again, it's only been 2 weeks, but it's expected that this thing will keep that suction power for up to 365 days for the entire year. Now, in addition to that, this robot also handles thick carpet climbing with ease. This is the first robot vacuum that I've tested that climbed onto a 5 centimeter thick carpet without complaining. Most robots completely avoid these, or they get stuck. This one lifted its chassis, detected the pile, and powered up suction automatically. Now, in the world of robot vacuums, this is something I consider a huge win, especially because I have carpets that have tangled up robots that are more powerful. In addition to that, it's also got carpet intelligence. This robot doesn't just clean carpets, it actually understands different types of carpets. It avoids tassels, it avoids long pile carpets if needed, it doesn't drag dirt onto edges, and it cleans carpet edges precisely. No babysitting, no taped areas. You just gotta let the robot vacuum do its thing. In addition to that, This robot vacuum also uses eufy's HydroJet 2.0 self-cleaning roller mop technology, which is a technology that's used across most of eufy's newer robots. Now this is the part that most robot vacuums still struggle with. The Omni S2 introduces a rolling mop system with real-time cleaning, meaning you're not pushing a dirty mop of water around as it cleans. The mop, thanks to the mopping system, self-cleans while it's mopping, and it disinfects using electrolyzed water. In addition to that, it's also got 15 newtons of pressure and cleans tight edges and corners. And yes, I even tested this with dried coffee stains and ketchup, which is the ultimate torture test. And honestly, it handled both in one pass. Now, as usual, and this is something that I've been doing in most of my recent videos, I did the white test, where I wiped the floor with a white towel after it's cleaning, and it actually came out clean. Now this is a nice carryover from the previous model and a huge improvement in this model. In addition to that, the robot has hands-free maintenance. The base station empties dust, cleans the mop, uses hot water, and even sterilizes it. So basically, you aren't washing things constantly or replacing parts every few days. It does it all in the self-contained ecosystem. And then on top of that, the base station even detects turbidity in wastewater, which is water's cloudiness or haziness, and it triggers additional cleaning cycles if needed. Now this is honestly next level automation and helps you to be completely hands-free. And like most robots today, it's got smart AI navigation and 3D mapping. In fact, this new S2 has an AI system that is running advanced recognition that identifies spills, recognizes 200 plus obstacles, lift brushes to avoid liquids, sees tiny objects like cables, small toys, and even Legos, and good or bad, it avoids pet messes. Not only is it smart enough to avoid messes, it also adapts based on the floor types, and I'm sure most of you agree with me, but I love that I don't have to babysit this robot vacuum. Now, on top of all those features, this robot also has a very effective roller, side brush, and anti-tangling design. If you've got pets, this is a big deal. Both the main roller and the side brush are built to prevent hair tangling, and flipping the unit over after it cleans proves that. There's no hair wrapped around the brush after doing its job, and it's done this consistently over the 2 weeks that I've used this robot. This is actually something that's very rare and not something that all robot vacuums can handle, but I'm also glad that a lot of vacuums are starting to create technologies that have this built-in feature. And then one of those little extra features that most robots are now incorporating, I also like that this robot has the ability to add air fragrances. This actually surprised me. You can add fragrance modules inside the station and it leaves a light scent across your home. There are actually multiple scent options including refreshing citrus, bamboo and sage, and many more other subtle scents that you can apply and have this robot spread across your house so that your house is always smelling like that fresh hotel or a freshly cleaned area. Now this is a fun touch that genuinely makes rooms feel fresh, clean, and renewed. Okay, so after living with this Omni S2 for the past couple of weeks, here is my honest experience and some feedback. Now what I love about this robot vacuum, it so far never loses suction power. It does a great job climbing thick carpet with ease. It deep cleans floors, and you've got realistic mopping performance, and it's got incredible AI navigation with 0 hair tangles, and best of all, almost 0 maintenance. Now, when it comes to things I don't like, I can't really think of anything I don't like about this vacuum, except for maybe the fact that it is a bit tall, but then again, it's pretty much self-contained and got everything you need in the station itself. This robot is a sophisticated smart device, so you'll have to remember that your first setup should be done very carefully and you should take your time, because the initial mapping does take time the first time. And that's pretty much it. Overall, the eufy S2 is extremely impressive. Now, when it comes to whether I think you should buy it or not, or if I would recommend it, Well, if you're someone who has thick carpet and wants real deep cleaning and you hate replacing filters, or if you're someone who wants hands-off floor maintenance, or you're someone who has pets or kids, or you're simply someone who wants a single robot that does both jobs seriously, this is one of the smartest choices that I can recommend. Also, eufy did want me to mention that they're currently offering a limited discount during launch. So I'll have that linked in the description section below, along with more details. Anyways, I know this was a short video, but I did want to share with you my first impressions and also introduce you to eufy's brand new S2 Robot Vacuum that will be hitting store shelves pretty soon. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this review and want more smart home tech videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to support this channel. Make sure you also check out my links in the description section below if you plan on or want to buy this brand new vacuum for yourself. Again, big thanks to eufy for sending this unit out to me and letting me put it through real-world testing. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.